Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Erickson Mutua, and this is Gary Africa Cars Mombasa. Today, I have decided to start with the interior because I will be honest with you, this car really looks good. This how it looks from the inside, the cabin. Let me show you the passenger seats. It's one of the most spacious cars you can buy in the Kenyan market. If you want a car to get yourself from point A to point B, this is a perfect choice for you. And the advantage of it, just look how the cabin looks like, very futuristic. This one is an hybrid 1500cc Toyota Aqua. It is very common in our Kenya roads because it has proven to be reliable and a lot of people have trusted it in the course. So the asking price is 1.5 million Kenya shillings, which is negotiable. You can deposit at least 500,000 and clear the balance in 1 to 3 years. This is how the boot space looks like. Very spacious unit. It comes with 1500cc, giving you around 26 to 30 kilometers to a liter, depending with your driving habits. It comes with the tire repair kits. It comes with the compressor and all those additional stuff. It is push to start. It comes with the lane departure, pre-collision assist. It comes with the eco mode, EV mode, and all those amazing features, cup holders right there. So it's a perfect car if you have a budget of 1.5 million Kenya shillings and below. The engine, the hybrid systems, Toyota Aqua as one of the most trusted Toyota hybrid system you can get. So if you're interested in this unit, we are in Mombasa. You can reach me on 0741 837 373. Deposit of around 550. Thank you.